How to log in into Westminster Council Tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Westminster Council Tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser like Chrome or Safari. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Westminster Council Tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website, sign in. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now if you haven't created an account, you can simply create it by simply tapping on register option. But assuming you have already created an account, enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on forget password option. Enter all of your details and finally click on sign in option, and with that you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.